But have you ever noticed how some makeup trends just don't seem to work for you? It's not you, it's the technique. For those of us with square faces, characterized by a strong jawline and wider forehead, the secret isn't about changing our face shape, but enhancing its natural beauty. Historically, makeup has often been about creating the illusion of an oval face, but modern artistry celebrates every unique structure. The key for a square face is strategic placement to soften angles and draw attention upward, creating a beautiful, lifted effect. Let's start with the basics. The goal of highlighting on a square face is to bring light and dimension to the center of the face and the high points of the cheeks. This creates a focal point that subtly balances the stronger jaw and hairline. Forget those harsh, straight lines of contour you see everywhere. We're going for a soft, diffused glow. Imagine a gentle light hitting your face from above. Where would it naturally land? That's where we want to apply our highlighter. First, you'll need the right product. A cream or liquid highlighter often works best for a natural, skin-like finish. Powders are great too, but make sure they're finely milled to avoid a chalky look. The shade is also crucial. For fair to light skin, champagne and pearly tones are stunning. But for medium to tan skin, think golden and peach hues. And for deep skin tones, rich bronze and rose gold highlighters are absolutely gorgeous. The idea is to choose a shade that's about 2 shades lighter than your skin tone for a believable gleam. Now for the application. The most important placement for a square face is on the top of the cheekbones. But here's the trick. We're going to apply it in a slightly curved C-shape. Start at the highest point of your cheekbone, just below the outer corner of your eye. Instead of sweeping it in a straight line towards your temple, gently curve the application up and around your eye, ending just above the arch of your eyebrow. This rounded placement is a game changer. It softens the angularity of the face and creates an instant lift, drawing the eye upward and away from the jawline. Use a small, fluffy brush for powder or your fingertips for cream products. Your fingers are fantastic tools because the warmth helps the product melt seamlessly into your skin. Pat, don't rub. We want to build the glow gradually, but start with a small amount and add more if needed. The gold is a luminous sheen, not a stripe of glitter. Think lit from within. This C-shaped technique is the cornerstone of highlighting for a square face. It works with your bone structure, not against it. But we're not stopping there. To further enhance this lifted effect, let's add a few more strategic touches of light. Take a tiny bit of highlighter and pop it right on the center of your forehead, just above the space between your eyebrows. This draws attention to the middle of your face, creating more vertical dimension. Keep this highlight spot small and well blended. We want a hint of light, not a shiny forehead. Next, let's move down to the nose. Instead of drawing a straight line down the bridge, which can sometimes emphasize length and sharpness, focus the highlight only on the very tip of your nose. A small dot of light right on the button of your nose gives it a cute, refined look without adding any harsh lines. You can also add a tiny bit to the bridge between your eyes, but avoid connecting the 2 points. This selective placement keeps the focus central and soft. Don't forget the Cupid's bow. A touch of highlighter on the little dip above your upper lip will make your lips look fuller and more defined. It's a classic trick that works for every face shape. But it is especially effective for square faces, as it adds another point of interest in the center of the face, contributing to that overall balanced look. Finally, a dab of highlighter on the center of your chin can help to soften the jawline. Be very light-handed here. A subtle glow is all you need to create a sense of harmony and cohesion with the other highlighted points. Let's put it all together. You have a beautiful, soft C-shape of light framing your eyes, a touch of brightness on your forehead, a delicate glow on the tip of your nose, a defined Cupid's bow, and a soft luminescence on your chin. Notice how these points of light work together to create a gentle, vertical oval in the center of your face. This doesn't hide your strong, beautiful jawline. It simply balances it by creating a new, compelling focal point. It's about working with your features to bring out your best self. Remember, makeup is a tool for self-expression. Experiment with these placements and see what makes you feel the most confident and beautiful.